Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before I start off by saying anything, I would like to say thank you for clicking up to watch this video. And coming back to the video, I'll just give you all a very quick introduction. I'm Namra and I'll be posting beauty, DIY related and fashion related content on my channel. Like wanting to start my own channel since 2 months and finally I got the courage to start it. This is my very first video, which is exciting but I'm pretty nervous too at the same time. Okay, so the first product that I have is Maybelline Super Stiff 24-hour full coverage foundation. Okay, it claims that it is 24 hours stay foundation. Well, it is obviously not 24 hours, but I have earlier got my actual shade. It's not my actual shade, so that one got oxidized, so this time I got a shade lighter. And yeah, it gives you matte finish. If you have a dry skin, then don't go for it because it's gonna make your skin look very cakey. The original price is 750 and there was no sale on this particular shades. Okay, so the next product that I have is Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact. It claims that it has SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter. It weighs 9 gram, and from inside this is what it looks like. It's okay, it's in the shade Natural 02. It comes with a mirror and a sponge as well. This is how it looks like. And it was originally priced at 199, but I got this for 149. It's a steal deal, guys. Okay, so the next product that I have is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and it looks somewhat like this from inside. It is really tiny. It weighs 10 gram. I think I should have gone for the 30 gram. I just wanted to try out this Lakme Makeup Primer, so I went for this smaller one. Well, I have applied this on my face today. It says that it gives you like silky blur formula, instantly brightens. Well, it is true, but it didn't really blur my pores, but it did give me this silky texture on my skin. So yeah, and there was no such offer on this product. I got this for 299 rupees. Okay, so next up that I have is Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist, and this is my second bottle, by the way, and I wear this only when I have no makeup on my face, like I have to go out with no makeup, then I go with this. It is originally priced at 695 and I got this for 695 only. Okay, so next up that I have is LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Toast, high definition concealer, and I've seen many YouTubers talk about this particular shade for cream contouring, so I thought let's just get my hands on this product as well. It is originally priced as 695 and I got it for 695 only. Okay, so the next product that I have is Maybelline the Hypercurl Mascara. It's an easy wash mascara. It can come off easily with that micellar water, and I'll tell you why I'm impressed by this one, because I've actually tried every mascara from Maybelline's range and this was the only one left to try out, so I thought let's just get my hands on this as well. So I'm really impressed by the volume it's giving. I'm wearing no lashes right now. I don't think so you can see it in the camera. If you're looking for a affordable and a good mascara, so I would highly recommend this to you. And this is originally priced at 310 and I got this for 248 rupees. Okay, so next up that I have is Nykaa's nail paint. It's in the shade Ruby Glaze. It's more towards maroonish side and it's darker than maroonish, I guess. It's a really dark shade. Yeah, you can see it's really dark, and I got this for 180 rupees. There was no sale on this product. Okay, so the next product that I have is Faces Canada nail paint. It's in the shade Plum and I have it on my nails right now. It's a perfect nude brown shade. I think it's more on the mauve side. Got this at 78 rupees and the original price was 109 rupees. Okay, so the next product that I have is PAC Retro Matte Gloss. I mean, it's darker than it looked in the picture, and I'll just swatch it on my hand and show it to you guys. I'm actually not really a fan of dark lipsticks. This is how it looks like. I thought it would be a brown shade, a dark brown shade, but it turned out this dark. It's not a brown shade at all. And yeah, I'm really disappointed by this lipstick, and the formula wasn't really good. I actually tried it on yesterday and it was easily transferred on my hand. Original price is, I keep forgetting things. The original price is $6.95 and there was no offer on this product. Okay, so next up that I have is Maybelline lipstick. It's from their creamy matte range, and there's two shades that I've got, and both of them are nude shade. The first shade that I have is Nude Nuance. It has brown undertones to it, and yeah, I'll just swatch it on my hand. This is actually I actually tried this yesterday, and this really didn't stay long on my lips. It just stayed around 2 or 3 hours. And the price the price is $2.99, and I got this on offer for 2 to 4 rupees. Okay, so the next up that I have is it's in the shade Clay Crush. It's from the same range, creamy matte range, and I'll just swatch it on my hand. Pink undertones to it. It's a peach shade, and yeah, if you're gonna wear this with no makeup, it's gonna wash you out. Even the fair skin tones, it's gonna wash you out. And you can line your lips with a lip liner, it's gonna look good. And yeah, and this was originally priced at 300 and I got this for 224 rupees. Okay, the second last lipstick that I have is Nykaa Matte Gloss lipstick. It's in the shade Madras Kapi. Look how tiny this is. And I've seen many YouTubers rave about this lipstick. I think they're absolutely right, because it's a perfect nude shade. This is the shade that I have been looking my entire life, and I'll just swatch it on my hand and show it to you how. This is Madras Kapi. Yeah, I think it has little pink undertones to it. Yeah, it has pink undertones to it as well. And if you're looking for everyday kind of shade, just go for this without a second thought. Yeah, and this was originally priced at 234 rupees, and I got this on sale for 203 rupees. Okay, so the last product that I have is Maybelline Superstay Matting from the Matting collection, and it's a beautiful burnt orange shade. Actually, I've been wanting to try out this lipstick range from a very long time, and I finally got my hands on one of their shades, and it's in the shade Globetrotter. I'll just swatch it on my hand. Finally, it brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, so please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also, please shower your love by sharing it with your friends and family. It's just the beginning of my journey, and yeah, until next time, bye.